myself Nala Khan from class 5th A. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite indoor hobby. My favorite indoor hobby is gardening and I love to do gardening. Here's my miniature garden. This is night blooming flower. This is ridge gourd. This is more punky. This is universal grass. This is bottle gourd and this is green chili. With our care, love and nurture, we see plants growing and flowers blooming. This is a sight to cherish. Thus we say that gardening gives us a sense of pleasurement and enjoyment. From our garden we can get fruits, vegetables and flowers. By this way we can enjoy our own hard work. Now I am going to talk about the importance of gardening. Gardening includes in its domain growing, cultivating and planting of new plants and take care of them. Planting is an essential item of nature. Gardening also helps us to remain in a constant touch with nature and greenery. Without gardening, a garden is incomplete. It looks like wild and dirty, with excessive growth of dense bushes. Gardening is a tiresome task and it needs to be done regularly. Gardening is not just the watering of plants, it includes clipping, nipping and cutting of bushes. Gardening also helps us to maintain a good physical fitness and it is good for mental health and peace. Thank you.